Hi, we're Bob and Wendy here to invite you to join us July 18, 19, and 20 for a once-a-year experience that we have of teaching a class called Keeping the Love You Find. This is an Imago workshop that's really based on how do you do your individual work around who you are in relationship and how you are in relationship, and how do you step into being in relationship, the one you have, the one you want, in a constructive way. Sometimes that means, what do you have to let go of from your past? What do you have to face into? And what can you change to be a more effective relationship person? We want to invite you to come join us.
Great. This is a workshop that's a lot of emphasis on skill development, which we can all use, and some on motivation about when to do what in our relationships. It is, like Wendy said, a focus on our work, not so much on the partner's work. It's a lot easier to control ourselves than it is to control our partners. So we want to welcome you to join us, and we'll have a lot of learning and a lot of fun.
Figuring out what your patterns are in relationship and figuring out how you want to be in relationship and taking charge. It's consciousness, and we think being in a conscious relationship is the ultimate goal. So we'd love to have you come join us.
Right. Better than unconscious relationship.
Better than unconscious.
Okay. All right. So take a look at our website, imagogeorgia.com, and sign yourself up, and we'll be in touch.
Bye.
Bye.